What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys don't know already, my name is Triga. How's it going, guys? My social media is always linked in the description down below. But let's go see Blake. Dude, we made it to your favorite spot, man.
Right here, Blake Depot.
Nah, Home Depot, dude. Blake Depot didn't have the inventory we needed. Well, Home Depot failed us. Your favorite place disappointed you, bro. We came to destination number 2. Alright, so let's start this install. We got the Z out, warming up, as always. GoPro shot. We got Blake, he's gonna be rolling in. This is the last time you guys gonna see this.
Alright guys, so today we got my 2018 Toyota Tundra that we're going to be installing these GMC or GM style tow mirrors. They originally come on the Chevy and GMCs. I believe it's their heavy duties. But they make them for Toyota Tundras now and they look really clean. I've been wanting some tow mirrors lately. Come with turn signal, blind spot monitor, defrost, and also these reverse lights, or you can hook them up in your truck to put them on an on-off switch for when you like unlock your doors or turn on your bed cab. And then also in the back here, them LED like amber light markers that you can install to have them with your day running lights. Alright, so on these mirrors, guys, it comes with your connector that should plug right into your Tundra. And then this here is going to be your ground and power wire for your marker lights. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to come in here. You pop this piece off, this plastic piece. You're gonna have to remove your whole door assembly here, or just your door panel, because when you remove this, you run the wire for those like backup marker lights. You actually got to remove the speaker and run the wire in through this grommet that's right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. And it's gonna come through and in underneath and over to this side over here. Same on the driver's side. You gotta undo these screws in here. If you pop this plastic piece back off, you got a carpet piece in here, and underneath this there's screws that you remove. You'll pop these pieces out. You gotta undo these little door pins. Once you do that, you'll grab from underneath here at the bottom and you'll just give it a little tug and this whole door panel should come off. If you're gonna want to use this plastic pry tool, or if you have anything like that instead of like a flathead screwdriver or something, so you don't damage any of your pieces.
Well, finally, after long hours of work, we were able to remove this door. It's like a 3-person job, guys.
No.
So it's gonna take 5 of you guys if it took 3 of us. These are gonna be gone. Dude, you're gonna be total cowboy. Howdy!
Howdy.
Too bad you ain't got no horse to pull down the dirt road. Alright, go, man. We waiting for you, dude.
I'm waiting for you. I need help.
Installation, slow ass. Dude,
can't hold the camera all the time.
Hey guys, Blake says if y'all want a free Tundra mirror, come get it. He's gonna throw this away. Alright, so what you guys are seeing right here is Blake's putting back on rubber.
This is from the actual truck. It's the OEM.
Yeah, it's the OEM.
This is the one that comes with the mirrors. But I've heard a lot that the OEM ones work a lot better.
Alright, so you pass the wire through the hole. Looks like correct fit, except this side. Oh, this is super country now. Howdy, partner. Y'all got hay and pets? This looks actually pretty badass.
Oh, they work.
Oh, well, then nothing back here works. Nope, that shit still don't work.
They don't work. So I gotta get an extra a harness you have to buy from this company.
Yeah, all it is just 2 of those splices and it goes to the daytime running light.
I got turn signals on. Does it work when the turn signal goes on?
Well, this company, great item, but you lack the harness.
Yeah.
Y'all scammers. Who made this? You already introduced this company? Who makes these, bro?
I got these ones from Everyday Auto Parts. They look like good quality. They were a little cheaper though, so you do have to buy an extra harness.
Send me the link. The link will be down in the description. Plus this, guys, comes out. Let's try it. Oh! So if you want to be extra small, you can get it done. This is cool, dude. It looks nice. Oh, so this is how it feels to be a country boy. Oh my God. Bro, you can see Mars from here. So if you had a trailer, this thing would be sick. But for daily use, I think you're gonna have a really hard time. I'm kidding, man. Now we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. So this is the truck with the both sides working. Now it's Texas ready. Where are you, Texas boy?